10 minutes to 9 on, what is it, Wednesday, January 12th, and we are in the middle of a big snowstorm. As you can see, we've got, it's going to be a good foot or more of snow there, and we've got some big time snow coming down. Look at that. Look at this. I gotta get out here and clear off my snow blower. But it is really coming down pretty good. And we're just going to get out here now. Get ready to go. Just got a few things to do. See? Almost ready. And then I'm gonna head off to work. Up there's a little birdie there. Let's see what he's doing. And I gotta clear off these cedars. Oh, focused on the wrong thing. They're hungry. Okay, we'll see you in a while. See if I can make any progress here.